What's going on, everyone? My name is Sherwin, and in this video you're going to be seeing a new star on this channel. And today I'm going to be sharing with you a product that EVBase has sent out, and that product, ladies and gentlemen, is this. This is for our pet. It is seat covers for our dog, and it is made out of Oxford cloth and mesh. It is waterproof, dustproof, and odorless. Check that out. So you're probably wondering, like, well, which side goes in which side? Okay, I will tell you. These are actually for the headrest, and there's 3 of them there, so that tells you that this is facing towards the back. And these are for the headrest of the front seats, so it's like flipped. So this is where the front is, and this is where the back is. So let's go and set it up or install it. So the middle one has a Velcro, so you're gonna have to lift this up a little bit so you could slide the Velcro in and under and over. All right, well, there it is. Headrest in the front. Also, there should be enough room for your seats to move forward and backwards, like if you have entry mode and your regular profile seats. So let's go and check that out. Actually, right now it's on like the entry mode, but let me put this camera on a tripod, and I'm actually curious as to how much this will move when I tap on that brake and my seats get adjusted. All right, let's go. Let's check it out. All right, not too bad. Not too bad. So the floor itself, it has I don't know if it's cardboard, but it has some stiffness to it. It has a shape to it, so it's not, you know. But let me hop on. My dog is not as heavy as me, but I like to just mess around and fully test things. I don't know. Don't look at my booty. So if he was or she was on here, the seats kind of go up, so it isn't too much of a flex, or I don't know. Okay. All right, well, let's go bring out the star. There's our big girl. What's up, Mochi? By the way, if you haven't seen the video where we picked her up, we have that on this channel as well. This is Mochi. She is a standard poodle. She's about 62 pounds. Hey, where are you going? There she goes. She's already in there hopping along. There you go. There you go. All right, so what's cool with this is the other side I've zipped up, so it's like a wall. But yeah, again, she's a standard poodle at 62 pounds. This is how big she is in the Cybertruck. Hold on, hold on. We're not done yet. No, man, go back up there. Come on. Hey. Go back up there. Go up. Up. You're good. Come on. Go up. Good girl. So, what we could do is, hold on. Okay. All right. Sit down. Sit down. It's okay. Stay. There it is. Now we got it all zipped up. Say cheese. Moch. Good girl. So she's just hanging out in there, and it looks pretty cool. Let's go shut the door and get in the front. Oh man, it's bright in here. Okay. All right. All right, we're gonna move our seat to our profile position. Relax, man. So there she is right there. You good? Now you're messing with my glass up there in the roof, man. Okay, so 62 pound. That's how it is. And what I like about it is it actually protects the screen from her paws. I don't have a screen protector there yet, but okay, man. But yeah, that's perfect. I think I like it. There's also pouches in there, so you could put anything. There's storage in there too. So the only thing I thought I could do was to fold these seats up so that she has more room, being the size of her, but I don't think I need it. But larger dogs may tend to hit the glass roof. So she's about a medium-sized dog, but larger dogs with the seat down, like in a regular position, they tend to be a little bit taller. But if you have larger dogs, you may have to put the seat up, and I don't think it'll work because these headrests, it's gonna bring, like, it's gonna elevate the floor of the mat, and so there's nothing under to support it, so it may not work out. You may have to find something else, but it does require for the seat to be in its normal position. You like it? You like it? No, you gotta wait. You gotta wait. Okay, we're gonna go down, okay? You like it? Is it cool? I like it. Relax. Hold on, hold on. Okay, jump down. Come on. Okay, go back inside. Let's go. All right, now we could bring our dogs. We have two dogs, actually. We have a mini poodle as well. Mochi doesn't look like a poodle right now because we had to cut her hair really short. It got matted during winter or during Christmas because she was wearing a jacket, and we just didn't get to comb it as often as we should have. So when we took her to get groomed, she had to get it all cut really short, but it's growing back. But yeah, so this is pretty cool. I'm pretty excited because we could bring her now and I don't have to worry about my rear screen or anything. In the Rivian, I would just have a giant towel, and it works, but this one's a little better because it has pouches for storage, protects the screen like I said. It's waterproof. Towel is not waterproof, so and it's easier to clean, and she seems to like it. So yeah, but yeah, that's the towel that I would normally bring. It's just a towel, like a large towel, and that's what I would bring. And it stinks sometimes, so I think this will work out a little bit better. Stay. No. Stay. Good job, Mochi. So this thing folds into this. Check it out. It has handles, and you just carry it along. Very nice. So make sure you check out the video description for all the information, the links, any discount codes, stuff like that. But thank you, EVBase, for sending it out, and Mochi will love it. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.